And this is Dad's newest recipe. We saw it on his computer, and look how tasty it is. And you also need milk. Milk. Milk.
Okay, so here I go about to try something for the very first time. My aunt posted on Facebook recently a recipe to make orange creamsicle fudge. Okay, so unfortunately I didn't have the air conditioner up high enough in the house and the white chips melted together, but I don't think that's going to matter because we're going to melt all that anyway. And we're going to put this in the microwave long enough to melt it down so I can pour it in with the chips. Okay, this is just about ready. It's been in there for about 30 seconds. We're going to pour the frosting in here with the white chips. And I'm going to get a spatula to get the rest of this out. Okay, so I have this on a low medium flame. Okay, so first I'm going to add some of this orange extract. I don't know how much to add. Start with the yellow food coloring here. Yellow, so I'm going to add a little red to it. I don't want to add too much red. Okay, so here's how it ended up. It's pretty orange. And so now we're going to start scooping it into our pan, which I have lined with foil. It's going to be hard to do without dripping all over the place. So we're going to put a dollop here of the orange, a dollop of the white, and we're pretty much going to go all around the pan. So as you see, we have the first layer, so we're just going to take our fork and kind of do this to kind of get it to swirl a bit. And then we're going to put more layers. Okay, so now that we've scooped everything into the pan, we're going to go ahead and mix this all up really nice. Deal. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator to chill for about 10 minutes so it can start to get hard, and then we're going to put some of these orange slice candy on the top. Okay, so now that it's chilled for about 10 minutes, we can put the candy on top. And the reason why we want it to chill is we want it to get a little bit hard so the candy doesn't sink all the way down. Okay, so you can see by the amount of candy that we use, we're going to end up with 20 pieces of fudge when this is all over. And we're going to put this in the refrigerator right now to let it chill for about 6 hours at least. You guys want to get a piece?
Yeah. I'll take
Get a piece and see how it tastes. Oh, you got a big one, huh?
Huh? It was pretty easy to pull out. Oh, it's like cake.
All right, let's see. How's it taste?
Mmm. Tastes good. Let me taste it with the candy, though.
How do you like it?
It's great. Actually, double thumbs up.
Two.